I've got this cordless drill slash screwdriver set. It has a lot of bits, so it delivers a maximum torque of 32 Newton meters. Let's take it out of the box, let's check it out, and let's use it a bit and see how it works. Let's see what we get in this box. So we have the cordless drill slash screwdriver, then we have the charger, so it only has one battery here, manual instructions, then we have this that we can use for corners, which is really good because you don't know when you need to reach a corner, so this is like really useful. Then we have this pieces, it's from 4 millimeters all the way to 12. We have this screwdriver bits that we can attach. And then we have some longer ones for like screwdriver, and then we have some of these drill bits. Now let's check this out. Let's put the battery in. So as you can see here, we have 25 plus 3 clutch settings. And then we have these 2 speed gears. You can use it as a screwdriver. You can then switch it to a drill bit, and then you can use it as a hammer for the wall. And then if you switch back to the screw, as you can see here, you can change the setting. And then we have these 2 speeds. As you can see, you also have a LED here that automatically activates, so you can see in like a low light environments where you need to see where you drill. And then as you can see, it's like really ergonomic, really nice and easy to hold in your hand, so it's really comfortable in the hand. Now let's drill something.